Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a couple of quick and very easy ways to draw hands. Hands are usually the part of a drawing everyone is the most afraid of, but with these tips you will have no more problems. I start by drawing a body so you can actually see what the hands are going to look like on a person. So now I'm drawing two kinds of hands. Both of them are viewed from the side, so the pose of the arms and hands looks really natural and relaxed. I'm going to explain the right hand I'm drawing now in more detail in a second. Maybe you've already heard of this method where everything you want to draw is made out of circles. This is very helpful, especially when drawing hands. The good thing about this hand you see me drawing here is that you only have to draw the thumb and 1.5 more fingers instead of all 5, which makes it a lot easier and lessens your chance of messing up. Just memorize this way of drawing a hand and you will never have to hide the hands of a person you draw behind their back ever again. Next, I'm showing you how to draw an open hand with spread fingers. I'm also constructing it out of small circles. Here are some tips to always remember when drawing a hand. Leave some space between the individual fingers when drawing an open hand. The thumb isn't completely straight but bends outward a little. Sometimes fingernails can make the drawing look weird, so if you're not confident in drawing them, just leave the hand without them. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have questions or any suggestions for future videos. Bye!